Let's connect Afilio to wecantrack so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Afilio in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Afilio connects with a postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL, and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in Afilio, open the postback section from the left menu, pick your channel and campaign, and paste it into the postback field. Back in wecantrack, your Afilio account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.